Hi friends, today we will study how to open the PowerShell window as privileged as administrator in the terminal. So let's start. If I hit the start and search for the terminal, so as we can see we have these terminals. So if I want to start it with administrator, we can, and also we can start it by clicking on the icon that is start as administrator. So to start it as an administrator, so we can use a third open source application which is gsudo as sudo in Linux. So if we want to install it, we use this command. We hit enter. It's now searching for the required application. So Windows doesn't recommend it to be installed by default. It is not available in the Windows. So if we want to install it anyway, we can use this method. So once it's completely installed, we will get the screen as we are now see from our Windows. So once it's finished, we have the privilege to use our terminal as non-admin and admin in the same window. So we don't have to tab around or alternate around for different privileges. So it's now installing. We'll have to wait for it. So we want to have to create a new profile for this settings to be applied. We get to settings, add new profile, we select PowerShell, we duplicate it, and here we have to change the command. So here we will write this command and then hit save. Now as we get to the start menu, write PowerShell. So here we can see that we have now this copy and also the Windows PowerShell with the original, and also with this commands of administrator rights. We have successfully added the command prompt of the admin prompt of the PowerShell and its Windows copy. So if you want to open a new window with administrative rights, so we just have to click on this chevron, and from drop down we can select that one. So as we can see, we have selected this one. We have closed it. Now if I get to the Windows PowerShell, so with this setting we can have multiple Windows PowerShell terminal with the administrative privileges. Thank you for watching.